What's up, creators? Today, we're diving deep into the true story of Sonar, one of the most respected digital audio workstations in music history. We'll break down how it became part of BandLab, why a version of it is now free, and what all of this means for producers everywhere. No rumors, just the facts. So let's start at the beginning. Sonar was a professional digital audio workstation, or DAW, originally developed by a company called Cakewalk Inc. in the United States for decades. It was a major player in the music industry, known for its powerful multi-track recording, robust MIDI editing capabilities, comprehensive mixing tools, and advanced production workflows. It was a go-to choice for serious producers. But then, things took a dramatic turn. In November 2017, Gibson Brands, which was Cakewalk's parent company at the time, made a shocking announcement. They were shutting down Cakewalk's development. After an incredible 30-year run, for a moment, it looked like the end of the road for this legendary software. The music production community was stunned. However, the story wasn't over. Just a few months later, in February 2018, a Singapore-based company called BandLab Technologies stepped in. They acquired all of Cakewalk's intellectual property and its related assets. Now, BandLab's goal wasn't to shelve the software or absorb its technology quietly. Their mission was the exact opposite: to continue its development under new ownership and breathe new life into it. Following the acquisition, the DAW formerly known as Sonar was officially relaunched on April 4, 2018 with a new name, Cakewalk by BandLab. It's important to understand this wasn't a brand new program built from scratch. It was the original, powerful Sonar codebase, but now updated and supported by the engineering team at BandLab. And here's the game-changing part, the biggest difference: it was no longer a paid software. Cakewalk by BandLab was released as a completely free DAW for everyone. BandLab's vision was to democratize music creation, giving every creator, regardless of their budget, access to professional-grade production tools. So what do you get with this free software? Cakewalk by BandLab offers a ton of powerful features you'd expect to find in any professional paid DAW. We're talking unlimited audio and MIDI tracks, so you'll never hit a ceiling on your creativity. It has incredibly flexible mixing tools, including the famous Pro Channel modules for that polished, console-style sound, of course. It supports all your favorite VST instruments and effects, and under the hood, it's running a high-quality 64-bit audio engine with advanced routing options. These are the same solid foundations that Sonar was built on, but now they are available for free to anyone with a BandLab account. Now, you might be thinking, who is BandLab? BandLab Technologies is more than just the company that saved Cakewalk. It's a global music creation platform that's all about connecting creators, enabling collaboration on projects, and building a vibrant community with powerful tools. More recently, BandLab announced another evolution in the software lineup, further clarifying the future. The software now exists in two main forms. First, there's Cakewalk Sonar, which is a revamped, modern DAW with an updated user interface and pro-level tools, carrying the torch for the original Sonar. Then there's Cakewalk Next, a more simplified, creative environment that focuses on easy-to-use sample and looping workflows. This structure builds on the legacy of both Sonar and Cakewalk by BandLab, allowing producers to choose the workflow that best fits their style. So, let's talk about the cost today. The original Cakewalk by BandLab version, the one that continued the Sonar legacy, is still free to download and use with a BandLab account, and it offers complete DAW functionality. The newer Cakewalk Sonar has a free tier available, which is very capable. It also offers optional paid upgrades and membership perks that unlock even more advanced features and content. For any specific details, you can always check out help. See Cakewalk.com. The bottom line is this: you can still produce full, professional-sounding tracks with the free version. The premium tools and expanded feature sets are there as optional upgrades if you need them. So there you have it. That's the complete, factual story of how the legendary Sonar evolved into what we know today as Cakewalk by BandLab. And now, the new Cakewalk Sonar. It's a fascinating journey, from a high-end professional software to a suite of accessible, powerful tools for creators all over the world. It's a story worth knowing if you're serious about making music. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And let me know in the comments what DAW you're currently using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.